You have got to be kidding me.
Can we even go?
Come on!
So here's the issue. I bought this trailer about a year and a half ago. I only had one four-wheeler, so I got a 12-footer. And that is not even close. So now that we got the second wheeler, I'm gonna have to do some thinking. So since I took this jack out that came with the trailer and put this jack that spins up on, I can open my tailgate. And I do have ramps. So I'm wondering if I can go over this. And that's a no. I could probably line it up so it's like this, and then as I get over here it falls on it. But I've seen way too many videos on YouTube of people flipping four-wheelers off when they're loading it, so I'm not going to do that. Can't go under. Could do that. That might not be bad, as long as my tires clear it. That's our first time loading it too, so be impressed.
Oh.
So I think this is going to work for now. We're going for a four-wheeler ride in a little bit, and I wasn't expecting that. Honestly, I didn't even think about it. I thought they would both fit on a 12-foot trailer. I think if they were both Polarises, they would. This CF Moto is a little bit longer, so that one was kind of the issue here. My biggest concern is leaving the ramps in the truck when we unload and we're gone on our ride. I do have a cable, but as you guys know, with the tools people have today, it could be a quick cut and then they got a pair of ramps, so we'll have to figure out something different. So this North Face trailer that I have does have another 7x12, and it actually has a gate toward the front. So what I'm thinking about doing is making a cut here and a cut here and a cut here and removing this piece. And I won't have the ramp, so I still will have to use my aluminum ramps, but then I can load that one sideways, and then I can load that one on here, and that would make it so I could at least have them both on the trailer instead of putting one in the truck. That went pretty smooth, but I think if the truck was up higher, like on an incline, and the trailer was down, I don't think I'd be able to swing that up onto the tailgate. And so that might be fine for here, but when we get to where we're going, we might have an issue if we run into that scenario with the trucks up on an incline. But for now, we're gonna head up, and Ariane's gonna go basically on her first four-wheeler ride as far as driving goes. She's gonna drive the C4 600 that has power steering and a little smoother, and I'm gonna drive the new Sportsman 400 that we picked up, and pretty excited to try that out. So as you guys know, we've had the C-Force for a while. We bought that new in 2020. It's the 2021 C4 600 non-touring, and this guy I just picked up from my boss. It is a Polaris Sportsman 400 HO. It's a 2014, and he gave me a good deal, and he also said he wants to see it on 207 Ice to Woods. That was the big part of getting the deal, is I had to get this thing back on the trail. It's only got 445 miles on it, so him and his son rode it around the house, and he said he wants to see this thing in use. So I said I'll see what I can do, and this will be the first ride with this one of the year. We did pick up the toolbox to put on the back. As we know, we're not allowed to ride with a passenger on any four-wheeler. If you're a lawyer and you're watching, I said it. Now let's get on the trail. Frickin' girl wants to use the new pressure washer. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell, and you'll get a notification every time.
True story, bro.
We post a video. That's what she was supposed to say. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe!
Comfortable?
What?
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That power steering's nice.
Yeah.
This is They're good on this side.
Good.
Once you pass, like with that Mandy's restaurant or whatever,
Yeah.
that's actual four-wheel drive.
Yeah, no kidding. as long as it's not the whole stretch, I have fun with it.
Yeah.
But if it's like that the whole way, it's kind of.
Yeah, and we went to Athens.
Yep.
And it was like the perfect mixture of stuff like this.
Yeah.
You got a little mud, you got a little rocks, you got a little planing, and then it went back to kind of roads. And then we came back. We saw a sign for Pittsfield, so we came back a different way.
Yep.
It was all tar road, and it came up by the cemetery. I was like, that just cut everything off. So I'm from Athens, but so now we can go kind of the crappy way there, eat in Athens, and come back the fast way. It's like a perfect mixture.
Good. Well, it's a beautiful afternoon. It cleared up a little bit.
Yeah,
which is nice.
Perfect when it rains out like that.
I know.
Dust and
Keep
stuff.
the dust ray off, which is great.
Yeah.
So no, I won't hold you guys. You guys are registered.
all,
you guys
all
are
good.
So
all good.
Take care, guys.
Have a safe night. Alright, so really this is just the first time out on the Polaris Sportsman 400 that we just bought. So this is the trial run. It's a 2014. G, what do you think?
Good.
She thinks good. She's rocking the new helmet. Didn't even feel that. So we get it all cleaned up just to get it all muddy again. This is Ariane's first trip out on the trails this year, and usually we just had this CF Moto and we would take that out, but we're quickly realizing every time we want to go four-wheeling we got too many people, not enough four-wheelers.
Thanks, Mark.
So like I said, we bought this from Mark, and or not this, we bought the Polaris from Mark. And it is now part of the 207 Ice to Woods family. The colors even match pretty good. So we're having a good time. It's a little bumpy. I'm showing her what it's like to not be on the dirt roads that she thought used to be four-wheeler trails. She got to see a little taste of real trail, but we're gonna turn around before it gets dark. All in all, pretty good day. Whoever said a 400 isn't fast, well, I used to have a hat on. I told you the 400 was fast, blew the hat right off my head. So this is probably fine. I got a YouTube channel. I've seen all kinds of things go bad when you're loading stuff in the back of a truck on YouTube. Worst case scenario, you guys laugh, I don't.